Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Devyani Puri and I'm here to welcome Dr. Kanak Joshi. Welcome Dr. Kanak and just introduce yourself and just share your score and then how many attempts did you give this exam?
First of all, thank you so much. And fine, this was my first attempt. Myself, Kanak Joshi,
Okay.
and I scored in my first attempt only,
Okay.
and it was at least approximately 3.5 to 4 month of duration which I have started, and I joined the mission classes for that.
Okay.
And technically, I'm a premium member. I'm using Cerebellum since my second year,
Okay.
but the mission classes were there, and I followed it blindly, and it
Hmm.
really helped me out.
Hmm.
Especially the late night PYQ thing,
Hmm.
that was the game changer, I would say.
Hmm.
It
Hmm.
really helped me out. I scheduled my day each and every time whenever there's a notification like, okay, finally, so the quiz is about to start right now,
Hmm.
and then I
Hmm.
used to participate and the mixed bag at the time of the examinations. So
Okay.
I did it. That really helped me out. Of course, GT, that's 10 on 10,
Hmm.
really helped
Hmm.
me.
Hmm.
Usually, people say that it's really tough to do it in the first attempt, but
Yeah.
I think it's not impossible. You can do it.
Hmm.
It's
Hmm.
really possible. It's doable if you
Hmm.
do it with the sheer hard work and whatever way. If you have a basic plan for doing anything, you
Hmm.
can get it.
Okay.
So that's all I did it. Like Cerebellum really helped me out. Especially, I would like to thank Dr. Vivek sir and Dr.
Hmm.
Govind sir. They
Hmm.
they were the like they really helped me out while doing the examination and everything. Every
Hmm.
question that popped up on the screen, and I was like, okay, Govind sir is saying something. This is going to
Hmm.
be my answer. So that really helped me out, I would say.
Great. So your main source of, I would say, studies and all was cerebellum, and you were mainly subscribing the mission classes, and you were giving the ENDs and all also. Grand test you mentioned, PYQs you mentioned. So were you also giving the ENDs and were they helping you?
Yeah, like ENDs for not for all the subjects, but I have given ENDs for PSM, for
Okay.
pharma and surgery.
Okay.
For the major
Okay.
subjects, I did ENDs. That
Okay.
was also nice, but for me personally, I would give marks more to GTs and
Okay.
number two for the late night PYQs. Because
Okay.
for most of the questions, I mean, especially for the minor subjects, because in the time we cannot study 19 subjects. So
Hmm.
if we do the late night PYQs, I was in touch with the subjects each and every time, like
Hmm.
especially the minor subjects. I was able
Hmm.
to crack it. Like the question then came, though I did not read that minor subject that finely, but when in
Hmm.
the examination the question came, because
Hmm.
of that night PYQ series, I was able to do that question.
Okay. Great.
That really helped me out.
So you basically, and you were following just the mission schedule. You didn't have your own schedule, your own revision strategy. Did you have anything else, or you were just blindly following the mission classes?
I was following that also. Like I has my own strategies, like doing like I wouldn't say that GT is there, so I will do it today only. But
Hmm.
for Sunday is the day when I'm supposed to appear in the GTs. And
Okay.
from I'm a morning person. Like I'll be studying in
Hmm.
the. I'm somebody who cannot study late nights. That's
Okay.
so classes were there. I followed for the major subject, the mission classes, and
Hmm.
yeah, the quick revision plan was also there.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
notes, my personal, I mean, first preferences was making my own notes.
Okay.
And in the like the 20th notebook, that really helped me out in the last days. So in the
Okay.
6 days duration, my personal notes really helped me out. That
Okay.
that was something. The question came like around 35 to 50 set of questions came from that notes only.
Great. So
So
you were making your own notes from the mission classes,
yeah,
and you were
exactly.
combining it from here and there and everything.
Yeah, because eventually we need to filter what is really important to study.
Hmm. Hmm.
So,
Hmm. Hmm.
like it's a lot of content when you study in the mission
Yeah.
class, and
Yeah.
also the marathon classes. I would
Hmm.
recommend like individual should watch it, and
Okay.
to the like if you cannot watch for the major subjects, try to
Hmm.
like watch the marathon classes like Ma'am Zanavara's lecture I have seen in the radiology.
Hmm.
Around 1 hour video, she
Hmm.
completed everything, whatever was required in the
Hmm.
examination, and the direct question came from that. Like the
Yeah.
slides, whatever she was covering in that marathon classes, everything came cut to cut from that
Exactly.
slide.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
like at least if you are not ready, I would say like to those who are preparing and others, I would say that for the minor subjects, don't leave them.
Hmm.
Study the marathon at least, because
Okay.
they are very high yield, and
Hmm.
that really helped me, and I think others also who were following the mission classes and anything else.
Okay. So was there any subject that you were like, concentrating more on, and or some that you were absolutely leaving behind because you were too confident that you'll do it, or you didn't like that subject? Was it something like that?
For me, medicine was the one. I was not confident for that. And
Okay.
the one which was I very, very confident, pediatrics.
Okay.
And number two was pharma.
Can you just rotate your phone? I think it just went into a vertical mode. Okay, anyway. Okay, so pharma and you were saying pediatrics were those two that you were really like, liking or something, and medicine was something that was too vast for you.
Yeah, yeah, that was really vast for me. I would
Okay.
have scored better if I would practice more into the medicine because that was there in the paper too. But yeah,
Hmm.
it was not something like that. I cannot do it because pharma was there. My patho is a strong subject because, as I said, that in my second year I have studied
Hmm. Hmm.
uh, patho and pharma from both of the teachers who were there.
Okay.
So that really
Hmm.
helped me out for medicine.
Okay. So, like, what, during this whole process, there might be a lot of times you must have felt like maybe demotivated or had some, setbacks in life or something like that. So, if something like that happened, how did you just pull yourself out from it?
I would say that I have already, it's 2017 when I started. I would just wanted to say a short story about my life.
Sure.
Like, it started in the year 2017 when I was preparing for my NEET exam and I was not able to qualify it. I was always been a bright student in my school, but
Hmm.
really heartbreaking for me that I couldn't qualify that examination. So I left it and then I
Hmm.
started my BS in India only. And
Okay.
after completion of that BS, someday somebody came, and I was even like not ready that I'll be a doctor in future ever in my life. But then suddenly somebody said that in Philippines, like if you have already graduate, you can do it, the MD out there, and you can be a doctor in India. So it
Okay.
has always been my dream. And then I went there. It was the second year time when Cerebellum was about to launch, and
Okay.
people started saying like I have seen lectures of Sir Govind and Sir Sparsh, and that was like I don't know like whether about other teachers are fine or not, but I believed them blindly, and I was like, I'm
Hmm.
gonna purchase this app. This is something
Hmm.
I'm gonna follow in my life. So I bought it at that moment only, and I was studying some of the subjects like pedia and like whatever subjects was going in my college at that moment I started studying.
Hmm.
So did it, and then by the time in the internship, because it was really hectic for us to not like to gather something, so I have covered at that time the minor subjects
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
my internship. And then major, I was like, so I would be in touch with them later on, so I started studying them when I came back home. So
Okay.
I studied them later. And then it was really, I was very anxious. I have anxiety, and especially the time of the January, I got so anxious, like whether I'll be able to pass it or not. And there were so many, this environment and people. First attempt में तो नहीं होता है.
Yes.
Even in my first paper, I met people who were just in the exam hall. They were like, "Which attempt was yours?" And I was like, "First attempt." Then she literally tapped me and she was like, "Oh, it's okay, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा."
Yeah,
मतलब
just assuming that first attempt में नहीं हो सकता है.
हाँ, so she was like, "How was your exam?" I was like, "It was fine. The paper one was fine." She was like, "Which attempt was yours?" And I was like, "First attempt." Then they were like, it's okay, कोई बात नहीं फिर तो. मतलब she was like, maybe I am
This
something
is
which is
kind of
just
a misconception of people. They think कि first attempt में नहीं हो सकता, दो तीन attempt लगते हैं. But I don't know why there is such a misconception around FMG that ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. But anything is possible. You did it, so
yeah.
like it is possible definitely.
Yeah, everybody, like, I think it's the biggest achievement for me. I did it with my first attempt only. I came to
Yeah,
India in September only. Within 3.5 months, I did it. And
yeah,
the score, I think it would be better. It's just my silly mistake. If I was less anxious, like if I wouldn't
yeah.
into the
Hmm.
environmental things or I
Hmm.
was maintaining, but it's okay. Eventually, result matters. I passed.
Yeah, exactly. That's great. So, did you have an exam day strategy? Like, when you're going into the hall, I'm going to do this, that. People make their own strategies. Did you have
Yeah.
any?
Before starting my exam, the one thing I always say to myself that मैंने सब पढ़ा है, मैंने जो
Hmm.
पढ़ा है वही इस एग्जाम में आया है, और जो मुझे नहीं आता वो किसी को भी नहीं आता.
That's a great thing to, think about it. It's just so motivating for yourself.
या सो मैंने एग्जाम शुरू करने से पहले अपने आप को बस यही बोला, एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट रियली वर्कड आउट फॉर मी। एवरी क्वेश्चन मैंने ऐसे, मतलब ईएनटी या ऑप्था में मेरे कुछ टॉपिक्स थे जो मैं नहीं कवर कर पाई थी, वो आए ही नहीं एग्जाम।
Hmm.
द मोमेंट आई सेड लाइक जो नहीं पढ़ा वो नहीं आएगा।
Yeah,
तो
so that is the boost that you need to give yourself because exam mein anyway there's so many stresses. Why, as you said, log aake kuch bhi, they'll keep telling you, demotivate you or something. But if you have that confidence and that if you've manifested it, if you have told yourself that this is what is going to happen and it happened for you, I think that kind of confidence if you have in the exam, then sometimes even the universe works in ways to just make you, give what you've, wanted for a long time. So that's really, really great. Another last question that I would say is that there are people who are watching it, people who want to know that if you have to give them three tips, how to crack this exam, what would it be?
आई वुड से बी कंसिस्टेंट
Okay.
एंड डू द लाइक सब छोड़ दो, दो
Hmm.
तीन महीने 4 महीने के लिए बिल्कुल सब छोड़ दो। और बहुत मेहनत करने से कभी कभी सब हो जाता है, मैंने करके देखा है, हासिल
Hmm.
हो जाता है, क्योंकि जाकिर खान कहते हैं ना, कभी कभी भगवान तथास्तु बोल देता है, तो
Hmm.
हो जाएगा।
Yeah.
टेंशन नहीं लेना, बी इफ यू आर अ फर्स्ट अटेम्प्टर और इफ यू आर अ रिपीटर और वट एवर, बट अपने आप को मोटिवेट करके रखो, सब
Hmm.
हो जाएगा, बी पॉजिटिव। बिकॉज
Hmm.
सही बात है, भगवान सच में तथास्तु बोल देता है, मुझे बोला है, आपको भी बोलेंगे।
Great. That is such a great thing. So, anything else that you want to say from your side? I think I just personally want to wish you all the best, and we're all very, very proud of you. And I hope that you're going to come back to our academy for the NEET and INICT preparation also, and
डेफिनेटली।
you have that belief in us that we'll be able to help you to crack that exam as well. And if you have anything else, then just go ahead.
आई वुड जस्ट से दैट इट वाज बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग हो गया था बीच में कि मिशन क्लासेस बहुत ज्यादा है ये।
Hmm.
आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग में लगा था कि थोड़ा टफ रहेगा, कैसे सिलेबस कंप्लीट होगा, ये होगा। बट जैसा सर कहते हैं कि लाइक वो हमारा हेडेक है सिलेबस कंप्लीट कराना, आप बस पढ़ो।
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
जितना हो रहा है उतना करो एक दिन में। क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस मस्ट मस्ट मस्ट, इट्स वेरी
Hmm.
इंपॉर्टेंट। कस्टम मॉड्यूल्स, आई वुड नॉट से एंड नेवर रिकमेंड पीपल जस्ट टू डू द PYQ। Never
Okay.
do it. Only PYQ will never going to help you out. Just do it. Important. Last 5 years के papers करो, वो
Hmm.
important है, ताकि आइडिया लगे टॉपिक्स क्या हैं। But
Hmm.
never do just the PYQ. You have
Hmm.
to do the custom modules.
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
एम्स का टैग लगाओ, नीट PG का लगाओ, या फिर
Hmm.
PMG का लगाओ लगाओ, और solve them.
Yeah.
Check them.
Okay.
I even had a notebook of mine जिसमें मैंने मेरी सारी mistakes लिख रखी थी। And the last day when I was about to win the day 16, because the exam on 17, I read that notebook only. What mistake I have done,
Hmm.
what
That's
should
a
I?
good strategy to know where you went wrong and then just to improve on that.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
because आप जब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हो घर पे, तो आपका
Hmm.
माइंड हमेशा उस गलत क्वेश्चन को ही वापस ऑप्ट करता है। अगर आप उसको एनालाइज नहीं करोगे कि वो गलत क्यों था या सही आंसर क्या था, तो
Hmm.
दैट्स नेवर गोइंग टू चेंज। क्या पता वो सेम क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ जाए और वही गलतियां वापस कर दो।
Yeah. So learn
लाइक
from your mistakes basically.
या
Make
सो लर्न
mistakes
फ्रॉम,
and then learn from that.
yeah, it's very important. So I made a notebook for that, and
Hmm.
I noted down every little mistake what I have done, and I prepared. Thankfully, because of my teachers, I'm glad that I did it, and that to be in my first attempt only. It's not impossible. Impossible. Like you can do it. I did it. Everybody can do it, I think.
Right. So congratulations again, Dr. Kanak, and I hope you have a great day and just enjoy this time because ये time वापस नहीं आएगा. This whole carefree time that you have, it's not going to come back. So enjoy as much as you can, and all the best from my side.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was nice, really nice talking to you.
Same here, Kanak. Enjoy.